Botanical Survey of India, established in 13 February 1890, reorganized in 29 March 1954. Mandate: survey, documentation, and ex situ conservation of wild plant diversity of the country. Headquarter: Kolkata. Registration Center Unit 15, including AGC Bose Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, Botanical Garden of Indian Republic, Noida, and Industrial Section, Indian Museum, Kolkata. These are the centers of BSI. Objective of BSI: exploration, inventorying, and documentation of phytodiversity in general and protected areas, hotspots, fragile ecosystem, and sacred groves in particular. Publication of national, state, and district floras. Identification of red list species and species-rich areas needing conservation. Ex situ conservation of critically threatened taxa in botanical gardens. Survey and documentation of traditional knowledge associated with plants. Develop a national database of Indian plants, including herbarium collection, living collection, botanical painting, and illustration. Monographic revisionary studies on selected plant groups, capacity building in plant taxonomy through refresher courses, environmental impact assessment of areas assigned to BSI for study, develop and maintain botanical gardens, museums, and herbaria. Preparation of pollen, seeds, and spores, atlas of Indian plants, qualitative analysis of nutritive value of echinofood plants and other economically useful species, exploration of plant diversity, 71 field tours, 4 biodiversity hotspot, Himalaya, Indo-Burma, Sundarban, Western Ghat, Sri Lanka, 9 biogeographical region, 41 protected areas and 13 sacred groves, wetlands, and specimens collected. Strength: nationwide organization, well organized herbaria with over 3 million herbarium specimens, over 19,000 type specimens, over 20,000 exhibits of economic plants and products, largest repository of books and journals dealing with taxonomy and phytogeography in the country, elaborate ex situ conservation facilities comprising 861 acres of garden and conservatories with live germplasm holding 1,75,000 belonging to 7,050 species, facilities for rapid mass multiplication of plant species, national repository of data on plant resources of the country. Weakness: lack of hierarchical parity with other research institutes in MOEFCC, DST, and CSIR, shortage of trained manpower, lack of in-service skill augmentation, exposure to current trends in research in other peer institutions, old and inadequate infrastructure, lack of easily retrieval data in digital form. Opportunities: ratification of Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) by the Government of India in 1994, enactment of Biological Diversity Act 2002 and Biological Diversity Rules 2004 invade large role for BSI, particularly with reference to Article 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 14 CBD and sections 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40 Biodiversity Act 2002. With the kind of infrastructure and data on the plant resources the BSI has, it can play a large role in environmental awareness, consolidation of the resources to initiate, facilitate experimental research in the field of molecular biology and conservation biology. Great. Scientific and technical manpower burdened with administrative work, overlapping mandate of other research institutes, lack of appreciation of basic taxonomic research, lack of taxonomic teaching and staff in universities. With this strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat, BSI has till date been able to floristically explore 70% area of the country. Important achievement of BSI: National Reference Collection of Plant 3.2 million, live germplasm holding 1,75,000 belonging to 7,050 species, new discoveries, family 1, genera 32, species 925, including subspecies and varieties. New plant recorded 2,500. During the year 2010, the scientists of BSI published a new genus, 23 new species, inclusive 5 new varieties of plant, and discovered 2 genera, 60 species, and 5 varieties as new records for India. Digitalization: herbarium specimen digitalized 33,000, archival material digitalized 60,000, textile design, natural dyes, botanical illustration digitalized 10,500. Publication: National Flora of 33 titles, State Flora of 41 titles, miscellaneous inclusive district flora 185 titles, periodicals, Nilambo, Invis, and Vanaspati Vani. Publication: Flora of India series, Flora of India series for state flora, Flora of India series 3 for district flora, and Flora of India series 4. E. Miscellaneous, F. Periodical journals and newsletters, bulletin, records of the BSI, Plant Conservation Bulletin, Invis, newsletter, Vanaspati Vani, Parijat, and BSI Monthly in New. Publications, pictures of different publications. Some district-wise project report recently compiled. Invis Center on Floral Diversity. Indian plant includes insights and negative list of exports. Updates with a complete list of Indian plant listed in sites and negative list of export with detailed description of 55 individual plants including photograph. Carnivorous plant of India, 38 species of Utricularia, 3 species of Drosera, and 1 species from Aldrovandra, Nepenthes, and Pinguicula have been provided with detailed information and photographs. Mangroves of India, a list of 49 mangrove plant species of India has been provided with their detailed information and photograph. State tree and state flower for all states have been prepared with their photograph. Glossary module of Invis website has been updated with over 1,200 scientific terminologies with their meaning. Bibliography module of Invis website has been updated with over 5,000 bibliographic record. Identification: 11,893 specimens identified into 6,226 taxa. 1 genus, Svantomyces, 39 species and 7 varieties new to science. 3 genera, Acrocybellina, Cucurbitothis, and Terrigilla, 92 species and 2 subspecies new to India. 97 new distributional record for major geographical regions and states. 2 species collected after a gap of more than 50 years. Documentation: editing of Flora of India Volume 9, National Flora, flowering plants, non-flowering plants, regional and state district flora, non-flowering plants, protected area, ethnobotanical information, Koraput and Devgar. Indian plant diversity. In the present state of our knowledge, India has about 18,259 species of angiosperm and 78 species of gymnosperm. The group-wise current status of number of species known from India: virus and bacteria 1,120, algae 7,331, fungi 15,053, lichens 2,479, bryophyte 2,550, pteridophyte 1,288, gymnosperm 78, angiosperm 18,259, and total 48,158. Plant discoveries. Bulbophyllum Chrysangenesis, rhododendron, different species of rhododendron, Trichopogon, rhododendron, gingiber, bipinnalum, Ceropegia species, Brachystelma, Glochidion, Tripogon, Acanthus albus, Habenaria, Musa, plants collected after 50 years. Euvaria ucincta, the species was collected recently from Kuldia in Balsore district of Odisha, where only 3 plants were located. This species was originally collected by R.H. Bedomi in 1880 from Grosur, Rusicona and Karcholi Hill Forest of Ganjam district of Odisha. Plants collected after 60 years. Conarus nicobaris. In recent years, only 9 individuals of the species have been located from Peve in Little Nicobar, in Gandhinagar in Great Nicobar Island, and Trinket Island of Nicobar Island respectively. This species was originally collected from an unknown locality in South Nicobar in 1884 by King's collector. It was subsequently collected from Parlob Island in Middle Andaman by C. E. Parkinson in 1916. Ex situ conservation. Plant introduction 413 species and associated botanical gardens of different regional center. Micropropagation of different plants, assistance to botanical garden, cyber taxonomy initiative, Indian virtual herbarium, digital archive of rare publication, flora of India and checklist of Indian plants. Thank you.